So this is a video of us putting in our wood floors in our van. We also decided to keep one of the passenger seats, so we had to cut out holes in the wood floor to leave access to the metal holdings that were underneath. So this is a video of carefully measuring and figuring out how to connect the two parts together. We were trying to keep the holes as small as possible in order to keep the floor looking clean and nice. So this is just us going over and over again, seeing how much more we need to cut out in order to make the pieces fit together and lock into place. Eventually we figured out that the entire area needed to be cut out in order for these latches to fully lock into place. So we had to cut like a puzzle piece, the exact proportion that we needed, and then a little extra for good measure. Here we're figuring out how much to cut out for the pins that actually lock the seat into place. So you can see Frank here placing the pins down on the floor, measuring, and now we'll cut those. As you can see, we've cut a little space for those pins to fit in and lock that seat into place. As you can see, none of the floors were secured, so now Frank is putting in some pieces of wood to secure the wood floors too when he screws them down. And here we see our insulation laid down and we are ready to screw the wood floors into place. This piece was a little hard to get in. You had to put it just the right angle to get it to actually fit in. Frank is also adding a piece of wood here to keep the insulation from coming out of these pinholes.